Good morning, grade threes. How are you this morning? I am well. I trust that you had a wonderful break. Okay. Let's see who's here this morning. I see Blessing. I see Chevelle. Good morning. Let's see who else is here. I see Hudi. I see Kabani. I see Lesahonolo. I see Matlotlo. I welcome you, grade threes. Ndemba, welcome. Okay. Looks like it's, there's Ari. Welcome, Ari. Let's see who else is here. Okay, Offense. And then I see Rabalajo. Rabalajo. Can you give me your name, please? Rabalajo. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Okay, grade threes, on the 30th of July, which is Thursday, we will be writing our assessment as we talked the other day. Remember this assessment, it's just for us to see, to identify the gaps, not only us, but you as well, okay? And here are the notes. So this assessment will actually happen during class time, meaning at 11 when it's normal class time, we will be doing that assessment. So the plan is for us to upload the assessment so that your parents or your caregivers can download it for you before you start, okay? So that, but if there are any additional details that will be available before Thursday, I will be communicating with you. So as I indicated, it's not to trap you, it's not to catch you off guard, but it's for us to identify those gaps so that we can be ready for term 4. Yes, for term 4. Okay. So I will be available online when you write the assessment. Maybe your parent, your older brother, or somebody who's helping you will be there with you. Our role will not be to give you answers, but our role will be to help you understand the question, okay? So that you can be able to write what you know and how you understand it, okay? We don't want to rob you of your developmental process, okay? We just want to identify the existing gaps so that we can plan for necessary intervention and enrichment, okay? So today, tomorrow, and Wednesday, we will just be revising in preparation for the assessment. Okay, so let's see here. I'm going to ask for ask someone. I'll call you by name, and then I will ask you to count in 50s from 500 to 800. So let me see by showing of hands who would like to do it for us. No hands, no hands, no hands. Oh, good. I will choose for myself. Right. I choose hoodie. Okay, hoodie, can you count for us in 50s from 500?
Ma'am, we're having a problem with my PC, ma'am.
Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Please give us just 2 minutes, ma'am. I'm just sorting out the problem. It keeps on
Okay. All
shutting
right.
down.
Okay, bye for now.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, any other volunteer? Ari? Shall we try you? Hi, Ari.
Hello,
Hi,
ma'am.
Ari. How are you? Would you want to count for us in 50s from 500 to 800? Shall we try? Hi, Ari. Should we try? I'll count with
Okay.
you. I'll count with you. Okay. We start from 500. When we add 50, it will be 550. We add another 50, it will be 600. We add another 50, it's 650. We add another 50, it's 700. We add another 50, it's 750 and 800. It's easy, ne?
Yes.
It's easy, hey? You
Yes.
must practice it, eh? You must add it.
Okay.
You don't have to do it by heart. You can just put 500 and add 50 to it. You will see how easy it flows. Okay. Well done. See you. Bye. Okay, let's see the next one. Matloto, I see your hand.
I'm going to ask a question.
Hi, Matloto. How are you? Are you ready?
You a question.
You say?
I want to ask a question.
Okay, what's your question, Matloto?
Which app must we download for the assessment?
The what? The assessment.
Like which app must we download for it?
You say what?
Which app must we download for it?
Oh, okay. Where you saying where are you going to download it? Is it what you're saying?
No.
Yes. Tell me.
Which app must we download for the assessment?
Oh, sure. Yeah. Hey. The coding guys are talking about which app. Can I tell you tomorrow, Ari? Is it okay?
It's not
Can I? Huh?
man.
Huh?
It's not Roto.
Sorry, Matloto, not Ari. So can I tell you tomorrow?
Man.
Okay, right. Thank you so much for that good question. Bye for now. Okay, I see another hand. I see Hoodie's hand is up now. I hope all is well now.
Ma'am,
Hi,
which
Hoodie.
part are we on?
We are on the second one, counting backwards in 50 from 800
800 minus 700, 800 plus,
we are counting.
800 plus,
Just a minute, let's read it. It says count
370. 750.
You're a great mathematician. Hey, let's read the question. It says,
Eight.
counting backwards in 50s from 800. So it means that from 800 we are subtracting 5. We are going backwards. Remember when we counted using the frame? Remember when we counted using the number block? So here we're going to say 800, 750, and then we take away
700,
100. Good.
650, and
50, yes.
600.
Excellent. Thank you, Hudi. Bye for now. Thank you. Okay, that's great. It's what we call mental mathematics. It helps us to keep sharp. Hey, right. Okay, now we do another one here. So for this one, I'm going to ask you to do it on your own now. And then after a few minutes, I will choose one to tell me what the answer is. Just work it out on your own. I see hands are already up. Do it, and then I'll choose from those who've raised their hands. Okay, I see some hands already up. Blessing says I gave an answer that she wanted to give. Oh, sorry. Okay, are we ready? Okay, Blessing, let's go.
Hello, ma'am.
How are you, Blessing?
I'm
Are
fine,
you
and how are
well?
you? Yes,
I am
ma'am.
well, and you?
I'm fine.
Good. Let's do this one. They say, how many tens do we have in 10? How many tens do we have in 10? 10
One,
divided by 10. How many tens
one,
do we have in 10?
one,
1. Good. And then um, here they say 8 10 times. 8 times 10. It's what?
80,
80. Excellent. And the next one, how many tens do we have in 40? 40 divided by 10 is what?
4,
It's 4. Good. Um, 9 multiplied by 10,
90,
and 90. Good. The next one, how many tens do we have in 30? 30 divided by 10 is what?
3,
It's 3. Good. And the last one, they say give us 7 tens. How many are they? 7 times 10.
70.
70. Excellent. Thank you so much, Blessing. Bye for now. Bye. Thank you. All right, let's continue. Thank you so much. As you calculated for yourself, as I was marking with Blessing, I trust that you've also ticked for yourself. Eh? All right, that's how we revise as well. Okay. On Friday we had this to do. Okay, I believe it's done. I'm just going to ask somebody. Let's see. I have spoken to Ari today. Let's see who I have not spoken to. I don't see any hands up, so I will choose for myself. Okay. All right, Chevelle, I hear you. Am I going fast, Rabalajo? Okay, I'll try to be slow. You were supposed to give me your name. I know you said you're joining us for the first time today. We welcome you. Right. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Do I have any hands up? Lutando. Okay, let's hear.
Hello, ma'am.
Lutando, sorry. There's feedback there. I don't know what's wrong. We'll come back to you. Let's see. Ndemba.
Hello, ma'am.
How are you, Ndemba?
I'm fine, thanks.
I am well. Ndemba, can you please give us the answers to this activity? We said 10 multiplied by 3 is what?
30.
It's 30. Good. And I hope all the others, let's tick for ourselves. And 20 multiplied by 3?
It's 60.
60. Good. 3 20s. And then 5 multiplied by 3. 3 5s is what?
It's 25.
5.
15.
Yeah. 3 5s. 5,
15.
10, 15. Good. It's 15. And then the next one, 15 multiplied by 3. 3 15s is what?
45.
45. How did you get it?
3 times 5. It's 15.
Yes. I'm listening.
And I wrote 5.
Good.
And then I said 3 times 1. It's 3. That's that one.
Okay, gave you 45.
And 4.
Well done. Oh, 4 years. Well done, Demba. And then 25 multiplied by 3.
It's 75.
75. Okay, well done. Thank you, Demba. You must put ticks for yourself, okay? Thank you. Bye for now. Okay, let's see the next one. Silo. Welcome, Silo. Okay, Silo, can you...
As well. Ma'am, sir, my sister is also doing a meeting. Her meetings next to me.
How are you, Silo?
I'm fine, and you, ma'am?
I am well. Do you want to give us the answers for this one?
Ma'am, which one is it? Okay.
It's the one on the screen. It's 10 divided by 5.
10 divided by 5.
Yes.
10 divided by 5. It's 5.
It's 5. How many 5 do we have in 10? How many 5s?
How many 5s are in a 10? There's 2 5s.
Good. So our answer is 2. Do you see?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
10 divided by 5, it means they say that how many 10 divided by 5? How many times does 10 go into 10? So it goes twice, okay? So 2 is our answer. Thank you very much, Silo.
Welcome.
Bye for now. Okay, let's see who else. Hand is up. I see you, Hudi. I see you, Blessing. Nobody else. Offense. Let's see, offense. Hi, offense.
Hello, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm fine.
I'm good. Can you tell us what's the answer, the other answers?
4.
Or 20 divided by 5, it's 4. Good. Put a tick. The next one.
1.
1. Yes, it means how many 5s do we have in 5? And then 15 divided by 5.
3.
3. It means how many 5s do we have in 15? 5, 10, 15. 3. That's correct. And the last one, 25 divided by 5. How many 5s do we have in 25?
5.
5. Good. Thank you very much, Offense. Bye for now.
Yeah, ma'am.
Bye. Okay. Here we go. Sharp, sharp. Yes, now we are going to talk about fractions. In the assessment that we'll be writing, there are questions on fractions, okay? So this could be a revision, okay? So these are the fraction words that we normally use. We have one, which is a whole, a figure which is not shared or divided. And then if we share, let's say it's your banana cake, banana loaf, okay? You share it, you cut it into half. So it's 1/2, meaning that if you are 2, one person will take one part out of the 2 parts, okay? And then you can also, if you are 3, you can divide it into 3 equal parts. What is important here is that the parts need to be equal. If they are not equal, you cannot share like your third from your banana loaf. It will not be a third. One would get more than the other, okay? But now we're talking about equal sharing. So here, if you are 4, you will cut your banana loaf into 4 equal parts. And if maybe it was, let's say it was a diagram, like it's something that you have, it's your rectangle that you have drawn on your book, the best thing for you to do is to use a ruler, because a ruler would give you equal measurement and you will also share equally, okay? And then if you are 5, you will cut it still into 5 parts, and these parts must be equal. And you can see that the further down we go, the share becomes smaller. If more people start sharing, it means now the portion that they are sharing becomes smaller. And this is just another note that when we use fraction, this is just mathematical information, that the number which is on top, we call it a numerator. And then the number underneath, we call it a denominator. Okay, Now we are going to answer the following questions. Let's see who's ready. Okay, so here we've got those halves, a third, a quarter, a fifth that we talked about. Now, here's a question. How many halves do we have in a whole? Okay, how many halves? I see Offense's hand is up. Let's see those who are typing. Blessing says she's done. Okay, let's see. Before I go to Offense again. Nobody. Okay, Chevelle, you think what? Ryan, you think what? Blessing, you think what? Wow, all the hands are down. It's not fair, guys. Right, okay, now let's look at it. They say how many halves in a whole? Okay, remember this is our whole and this is a half. A half meaning when you share between two people. So if they say how many halves in a whole, what do you see there? How many numbers do we, how many pieces do you see? How many pieces do you see there? Okay, I see Ari, I see Ndemba. Let's see who raised their hands first. Okay, Blessing has already given us the answer. Chevelle has already given us the answer, and I'm sure that's what Arin Demba was going to tell us. There are two halves in a whole. Okay, now here is the next one. How many quarters do we have in a whole? How many quarters do we have in a whole? Okay, I still see those hands. Let's see who. Ari?
There are 4 quarters in a whole.
Yes, 4 quarters in a whole. There are our quarters there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done, Chevelle. Well done, Demba. Thank you very much. Thank you, Ari. Okay, now the next one says, how many thirds do we have in a whole? How many thirds do we have in a whole? How many thirds do we have in a? Okay, I see you, Chevelle. Okay, any other person? Blessing, that's correct. Okay, let's hear Lisijo. How many, Lisijo? How many thirds?
3, ma'am.
We've got 3, that's correct. Thank you very much. Nice talking to you. Okay. And then I skipped one. Let's see. Thank you, Blessing. Oh, yes. How many quarters do we have in a half? How many quarters do we have in a half? There is our half there. And then there is our quarter there. So how many halves do we have in a quarter? How many quarters do we have in a half? Let's see. I see Blessing. I see Ndemba. Ndemba, can you tell us how many quarters in a half do we have?
Ma'am, 4.
4. Okay, let's look at it. There is our quarter. There is our half. Remember, half is 1 out of 2. a quarter. There is a quarter. 1
Two.
out of 4. It's 2. Do you see? Because if you
Yes.
go straight there, you can see that it is actually 2. Yes, our answer is 2. Well done. Well done. Well done, Demba. Bye for now. Okay. And then we have the last one. Oops. How many? Oh, thirds in a whole. How many thirds in a whole? Yes, we have said it. And then, how many fifths do we have in a whole? How many fifths do we have in a whole? I see you, Chevelle. That's correct. Okay, Chevelle, tell us.
Ma'am, there are 5 holes.
There are 5. There are 5 fifths, né?
Yes,
1,
ma'am.
2, 3, 4, 5. Thank you very much, Chevelle. Bye for now. Okay, so that's that. Let's see the next one. Okay, so this one, it says share 25 balls among 5 friends. 2 are boys and 3 are girls. What fraction will the girls get? What fraction will the girls get? We have 2 boys and 3 girls. So what fraction will the girls get? I see Ufense, I see Chevelle. Ryan, can I ask you? Okay. Curtis, can I ask you? It's not moving.
Hello, ma'am.
Oh, is it Curtis?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Curtis, can you please tell me what fraction will the girls get? We've got 2 boys and 3 girls. What fraction will the girls get?
The girls will get
How many are they?
3.
It's 3. So it will be, they will get 3 pieces. And then how many are they in total? The girls and the boys?
5.
5. So it's going to be 3/5. It means that when they share that banana loaf, for example, or here it's the 25 balls, they are going to divide them into 5 because all
Yes,
of
ma'am.
them together are 5. Thank you very much, Katis. Bye for now. Okay, let's see who else. All right, Khudi.
2/5, ma'am.
For the boys, what will it be for the boys?
2/5.
2/5. Good, because they are 2, hey? Out of 5. Well done. Thanks, Khudi. Bye for now. Okay, let's see. How many balls will the girls get? How many balls will the girls get? Lesijo, how many balls will the girls get?
50.
You say how many?
50.
15. Good, good. Okay, there's a feedback there. Okay, Khunzi, offense, sorry. Do you want to tell us how? I saw your hand was also up, offense. Okay, I see feedback there from, oh, Lutando. You are asking a very important question. Where are you? Lutando,
5 times 3.
you say?
5 times 3.
5 times 3. Oh, okay. But you say something here on the chat box. Are you fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all right. Thanks. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Okay. The answer there is 15, but how else can you? Okay, it's 25.
Divided by 5.
Okay. We were there by how you got the 15 balls for the girls. He says that he said 15 times 3. Okay, let's see. Okay, there are 5 and they have to share equally. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So if they are 3, then it means that indeed it's going to be 5 multiplied by 3, which gives you 15. And how many balls will the boys get? Thank you, Ndemba. You also said 15. How many balls will the boys get? If girls get 15 out of 25, when we subtract, we are left with what? Thank you, Lutando. It's 10 balls. That's correct in Demba. Chevelle, Lisijo, Lutando, well done, well done. Let's see. Okay. Are there any questions concerning this? Is there anyone who says, ma'am, I don't understand? You can take a snapshot of it and then you can draw. You can actually divide. If you don't see how we got it, you can draw those 25 balls and share it amongst the boys and the girls. And then you will see, you will come back to these answers that we gave. Okay. All right, I see some questions there. Okay, no, everything is fine. Okay, let's go to oh, our time is up, okay? So, boys and girls, today we don't have any homework as we are preparing for the test that we'll be writing, the assessment that we'll be writing on Thursday. Okay. Are there any questions before I say goodbye? You know my email address. Any questions, you can address them there. Okay, thank you